wanted to make something that people would just go and find, and just it would be kind of like this wonderful, surprise to come across this epic treehouse in the woods, and they could climb up in there and like have some sort of experience. I had to get a bunch of friends to come over, and we had to all lift the treehouse over the house and get into the front yard. Then drive it up to Ukiah and hoist it up in the tree. I didn't take into consideration how I would make repairs on it. I just figured I would deal with it when that stuff came, but it was impossible to make any repairs. Boat was based off this article I read in the Surface Journal about surf travel, and these guys who kind of like started in Santa Barbara, including George Greeno, started the idea of customizing boats and making them into surf vehicles. I think a lot more about the kind of life I want to live than the kind of art I want to make. Making artwork, being in the studio, that's more fulfilling to me than surfing. But when the surf's really good, I'm not going to the studio like I'm surfing.